Welcome once again to Afatronics-tv. This is Engineer Noli, and today I'll be taking you through the process of soldering and unsoldering. So in your kit, you see this over here, which you are going to assemble to have your soldering stand. So you have one rivet over here, you have this, and your last rivet. So you place this inside, and you put the last rivet at the bottom. And you start screwing it till it gets to the end. To ensure that this is tight, you use the pliers, these two pliers. So use the first one to hold this from the top, and you use the second to tighten it at the back. So now you have a tight soldering stand. So now to the process of soldering. This is your perforated board. This is the solder wire. This is the de-soldering pump. This is your soldering iron, and this is another soldering stand. So to solder, you need your solder wire and your soldering iron. So I'm going to tear a bit of the solder wire. So this is it. This is my soldering iron. So I've already placed my soldering iron in the extension board, and I've waited for it to heat up a little. This is a new soldering iron, so you'll be seeing that there's some smoke coming out. Within 1 to 2 minutes, it will stop coming out. And here's a soldering wire, and here's a soldering iron. So I'm coming to start soldering. Before you start, make sure you don't hold the solder wire too close to the tip of the iron. So you place your solder wire where you want to solder iron to melt the solder onto the board. Tip of the soldering iron on the board for too long, else that part of the board will get bent, and when it gets bent, you see a black covering at that side of the board. So yeah, that's how to solder. So now the soldering. The soldering is basically the process of removing this solder on the board where you've soldered wrongly. So this is my soldering iron. This is the soldering pump. So when you've desoldered enough solder, and you can see that the tip of the pump is blocked, you can open it here and either use this to pass through the hole or just pour the solder out like that. Yeah. So to desolder, here's my soldering iron, here's the desoldering pump. So I push this down like this. Then I place the tip of the soldering iron on the solder or the area where I want to desolder, and I press this button here, and it just sucks out the solder from that area. So please watch. So that's all about soldering and desoldering for today. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Bye.